it looks really helpful. I'm worried it's a little too complicated because of all the doohickeys on the side, but I think it's better than the alternative that I use right now, which is this, which I literally put the vegetables through and spiral them by hand, and I usually give up and then just end up eating regular pasta anyways, so there we go. Yeah! Yay! It worked! It's a miracle! Oh, yay! Okay. That's something. Not making a fun noise, but it's working. I got it on the first try! I'm so happy! Oh, that looks so good. I'm pretty sure it's longer than me. Not our longest one yet, but I think it's our most uniform one yet. As a whole, I would say at first the machine really intimidated me. I thought it was gonna be really complicated to put together and use, but it was surprisingly easy to put together, and once I actually got the hang of using it, it was really easy to use. So I would say overall, the vegetable sheet cutter exceeded my expectations. I really wish I had thought to put one on my registry, because I would totally use it again. Like I said, I make zoodles like probably once a week, and this would just like vastly improve my culinary adventures. So I am 100% for this product and the beautiful food it creates.